Welcome back everyone. Today we dive into the world of modern cafe racers with the exhilarating new Triumph Thruxton 400. This motorcycle merges retro aesthetics with contemporary functionality, making it not just a joy to behold but also a pleasure to ride. From its stunning looks to its impressive performance, the Thruxton 400 offers something for riders who cherish both style and substance. Let's discuss the design and styling which epitomize the essence of a cafe racer. The bike features an exquisite teardrop fuel tank, a round LED headlamp, and sleek bar end mirrors that echo a classic British racing vibe. Triumph's meticulous attention to detail is apparent in every brushed metal finish and the bike's timeless silhouette. This attention creates an aura of sophistication, ensuring that the Thruxton 400 stands out in any crowd, embodying a true modern classic. Underneath its charming facade lies a heart that speaks of performance, the 398cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine. This robust machine churns out around 42 horsepower and 39 Nm of torque, paired with a 6-speed gearbox and an advanced slip and assist clutch. Triumph has smartly tuned the engine to deliver smooth low-end torque, catering to both urban commuting and spirited highway escapades. As we delve into the chassis, suspension and braking, the bike rests on a formidable tubular steel frame, complemented by USD front forks and twin shock absorbers at the rear, ensuring a plush ride. With a confident braking setup and dual-channel ABS, every stop is secure and controlled. Comfort and accessibility are also pivotal aspects of the Thruxton 400. With a seat height of 785 meters, it welcomes riders of various statures, while a manageable weight of around 170 kg ensures easy maneuverability. The bike's ergonomic design allows for a sporty yet comfortable riding position, making long rides a delight rather than a strain. Packed with features that blend classic charm with modern technology, the Thruxton 400 showcases a semi-digital instrument cluster, LED lighting, and ride-by-wire throttle, all of which enhance the riding experience without compromising its retro essence. Finally, concerning price and competition in the Indian market, the Thruxton 400's expected pricing around Rs3. While it competes with the Royal Enfield Continental GT 650 for styling, models like the KTM Duke are also within its sights. Ultimately, the Triumph Thruxton 400 is more than just a motorcycle. It's a celebration of riding culture, combining history, style, and performance into one exhilarating package.